welcome back to another episode of Mindplex, of my Mindplex series. That's loud. That's loud. That is very loud. I wonder what that would be under. Blocks, maybe? Don't know, but it's loud. It's way too loud for my liking. I have a stallion. It's a white horse is all it is. That shoots, that has like kind of a snow-like particle leaving behind it. And I'm playing dragons, by the way, for all those who are wondering. That was a very bad intro. Very terrible intro. And so you just try to stay alive from these guys. Try to be the last alive. The best trick is to get up high. Actually, it's not high on something sturdy, because on the ground there's water and the water kills you, so it's not the bestest of ideas to do that. And leap. Hello, people. Hello, my friends. Well, that's where I was like a minute ago. Kill them, not me. Sacrifice. Oh, yes, one of them died. Oh, that was perfect. Sacrifice, and sacrifice came. Sacrifice to the dragon god. Little bit of lag. Lag is terrible in this situation, because you just don't know if they're going to hit you or if they're going to pass you. And you'll have to find out when the lag spike catches up to you. And that never turns out very well. Gosh, these guys are obnoxious sounding. So let's put it on 2. Jeez. It's very quiet. Okay, that's not an option. It's like a swarm of them. That's the best way I can describe it. A swarm. A swarm of dragons is not something you want to be near. Oh. Sacrifice. Kicked for suspicious fly hackers are terrible in this game, because they just fly all the way up there. The dragons cannot touch them. Absolutely invincible. Oh gosh, sacrifice it is. Oh my, good thing I wasn't over them. Okay, there's me and those 2 people. That one person. Did I win? I won! Yeah, GG, yeah, ha ha ha. Sacrifice to the gods. Let's see how much time. I can probably do another. It's a good way to start it with a win. Actually, that only took like 3 minutes and 22 seconds. Yes, I have the exact time. Anyway, my steed, my stallion. He's beautiful. And he can jump really high too. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely. Oh, it's really fast as well. Nay. Like an angel in disguise. No. Oh. Bye, Missy, Horsey, Mrs. Ooh, I have not played on this map before, and it looks really cool. It does. Best idea is to go up here because of the same strategy why I went last time. Just staying here would be good because I'm right inside the mountain. Unless there's like a cave below me. Then it'd be a terrible idea. Let's see if there is. Oh my god. Really? No. Those things attract the dragons. And one of the kits let them do that. And let me tell you, it's not something you would like to be around. Trust me on that one. Almost got up to him. Oh, Oh no, oh no, can I get out? Please, please let me out, please, no, no, no. I'm gonna pause this until the end.
How long have you been recording?
Let's see if this is still in. It's recording. Okay, we're back. And it's gone. I wasn't sure if that was there. Again, sorry for the sound. They still haven't changed this back to normal. They changed the lobby back to non-Christmas theme, but they still need to change these back. But they're doing it slowly but surely. These countdown sounds very, very electronic, if you ask me. Wait, I was... Instant replay. Tell me in the comments. Am I on server number 1 of the dragons? Tell me. I really want to know. Again, I'm going to do that strategy. Go to the top. You want to be with these guys instead of being away from them because they throw these sparklers at you. And you want to be close to them. And okay, we go this way. As you can see, why I would want to be... I survived. I'm a survivor. Ow, really? Punk. Oh my god, no way. That's unbelievable. That is unbelievable. That is I am stunned. I am stunned that I... Half a heart as well I survived with. I'm just going to be running around, making sure they can't locate me in one specific area, because they locate the people in the specific areas and then target them and just fly in a beeline towards them. So it's better to be moving around or up high where there's a lot of ground beneath you. So if you fall, you don't receive that much fall damage. Hello. Mind if I join you? Oh, that's a bad idea. Water everywhere. My god, no one is dying. Jeez. Jesus. My. And so I just checked it and we have like 3 minutes left. That was a good leap, that was. Didn't take full damage at all. That's why you want to be up high. So you don't take full damage. And they completely destroyed this place. Excavators. These dragons should get an excavating job. They really should. They're great at the job. They would be great at it. Absolutely fantastic. And I'm going to try to get away from this where they're all bombarding. Right here. And... oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god, I almost fell through that hole. That would have been pathetic. I'm hearing splats all around me. There's music in the air and there's splats in the air.